Well, my socket broke. That's not cool. Okay, what I did was I took a piece of sheet metal, and the sheet metal is down here. Right there. I tacked it right here, along here, and then I kept pounding it and bending it around. Now I have another seam right here, and so I'm going to weld that. And one thing you have to watch out is this nut that goes in here fits pretty tight because of the welding in there. Some of the weld is inside there, and I can see it. It doesn't look good. So I'm going to put this in there, and hopefully that'll keep it from getting bound up in there and getting welded in there permanently. So now I'm going to put this in the vise, tighten it up, and weld this seam right here. Now I'm going to weld it around this perimeter here at the bottom. It's going to be easier to just pick them up. It's a wet and rainy day. Now all I got to do is take and do some trimming right there with my trimmer. Got to take and make stakes to pound into the ground. The ground is not quite frozen, but there's plenty of scrap laying around that I can make stakes. Also, I got to take get connectors to connect all of these boards together. I need 78 feet of forms to form around the concrete. So I'm going to have to do all that.